Hey guys, first time casting adventures. Had an awesome day out on the Cashie River today in Windsor, North Carolina. Fish that was small, that was kind of small. I think the biggest one, the longest one I got was 18.5 inches. But still, nevertheless, had a great day on the water, you guys. Great day. So, ain't nothing else I can say. Oh yeah. There's a whole bunch of them over here. Glory to God. Alright guys, first one this morning. Got them on the 11-inch black gum worm, zoom worm. Yes sir. Alright guys, this morning fishing the Cashie River in Berkeley County. Got on the first one, guys. Let's keep it moving. Alright, let's get this fellow back in the water. Nice one too. Woo! Thanks, buddy. This a good place, y'all. All right, guys, got on the second one. Same spot. Check it out, guys. Let's get them back in the water. Big bass. Woo! Let's get this guy back. It's a nice one too. Let's get him back. Number 4. Get this little guy back. This right here is about my 7th bass, y'all. Let's get them back in the water safe and sound. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Man, I ain't gonna tell you no joke. Fishing the Cashie River, this is so much fun, but they're all about the same size, so let's keep catching. Hopefully it's a big one in here. Alright guys, all these fish is about the same size, but they're different fish. Let's get them back in the water. Alright guys, just like I said, still out here on the Cashie River in Bertie County. Just got on my, I don't know, you can call this a somewhat of a spotted dink, but hey, do not despise small beginnings. I'm glad these fish they're not the same size. I'm so glad of that. One more fish, y'all. I think this is about 7 or 8 bass. I think something like that. So let's get them on the bump board. Just in the nick of time. All right, guys. You were like 12 inches or something.